best way to remove viruses from iPhone. By the end of this video, any viruses you have will be removed from your iPhone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. There are a few different places in an iPhone that your viruses may be hiding. Let's start by going into the Settings app. Scroll down and select Apps. From here, search Calendar, then Calendar Accounts. Take a quick look at these accounts and make sure all of them are yours. If you see anything in here that doesn't belong to you, delete it. It's probably a virus. Let's go all the way back to the app search and then search for Safari. Scroll down and tap Clear History and Data. If the virus pop-ups are new, you can select the last hour. Otherwise, it might be safe to clear all your history if you're not completely sure. Once cleared, hold down Power and the Volume Up button, and this is going to bring the Slide the Power Off screen. Go ahead and completely turn off your iPhone. And once it's off, hold down the power button for a few seconds again to bring it back on. When your iPhone comes back, it should be completely cleared of viruses. This should be all you need to do, although if for some reason it's still not working, you can also erase all content and settings. I would never recommend you do this until you try everything else, and even still, leave a comment down below with what's happening before you do a reset. I will do everything I can to help you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.